So the test, integral test. What is an integral test? Let sigma uk be a series with positive terms. If f is a function that is decreasing and continuous in the interval a infinity, a to infinity, then such that uk is equal to fk for k greater than or equal to a. That is, we are letting this uk to some f of k function. Then sigma uk and integral from a to infinity f of x dx both converge or diverge together. So in this case, these two, this series and this integral converges, either both converges or both diverges. So if we need some series, whether it is convergent or not, we equate this series into an integral of the form a to infinity f of x dx. And if the limit is finite and unique, then we can say that it is convergent. So the series also convergent. If it is an infinite limit, then the series diverges. Okay. So using this series and integral, we are checking whether a series is convergent or divergent, because it is equivalent to this integral. Series is equivalent to this integral. So that is integral test. For example, prove that sigma 1 by k is divergent. This is a non-series, that is a harmonic series, sigma 1 by k. We know that this harmonic series is divergent, but we can prove this using integral test. How? So first of all, uk. What is uk? Sigma uk is 1 by k. So uk is 1 by k. So we equate this to f of k. And what is the limit k from 1 to infinity? So 1 to infinity is the interval at which it is continuous. So by integral test, the series, both the series sigma 1 by k and integral from 1 to infinity 1 by k dk both converge or diverge together. So we need to find the integral from 1 to infinity 1 by k. What's the integral of 1 by k? It is log k. So before that, limit infinity is there. So if the infinity limit can be applied to limit extends to infinity, integral from 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity can be replaced by x, and we are letting this x tending to infinity. 1 to infinity in the integral ne 1 to x and എഴുതുക, എന്നിട്ട് x in infinity കൊടുക്കുക. So actually it is x in infinity കൊടുത്താൽ integral കിട്ടും. Okay. So if we write this limit extends to infinity, this integral will be equal to this integral, left hand side integral. So 1 to x, 1 by x. So this is a finite one. Then we need only to apply this limit also. So what is the integral of 1 by x? It is log k. Log k, limit from 1 to x. So log x minus log 1. Log 1 is 0. So it is log x, and extends to infinity means it is infinity. Log infinity, infinity. So this limit is infinity means the integral divergent. That means the series also divergent. Then what about this 1 by k square? This is also a p series with p is equal to 2. So this is convergent. We already know that 1 by k square is convergent. How will you prove that? Let this uk as some 1 by k square, 1 to infinity. So integral from 1 to infinity 1 by k square dk. This need to be evaluated. So integral from 1 to infinity 1 by k square dk is, again infinity limit can be replaced by this limit extends to infinity, integral from 1 to x. This x is tending to infinity. 1 by k square. So what is the integral of 1 by k square? It is minus 1 by k from 1 to x. If k is x, it is minus 1 by x. If k is 1, it is minus 1 plus 1. So limit extends to infinity means 1 by infinity plus 1. 1 by infinity is 0. 1 by infinity is 0. Okay. So it is 0 plus 1, 1. This is a finite one, unique one. So the series is convergent. Okay.